How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change nozzle size in Anycubic slicer. So in order to do this, we have to navigate through the printer setting. So specifically, it's going to be this one. Just click on the edit presets button, or you could click the drop down menu, scroll all the way down, and in here, you could select one of the system presets, but I suggest to just create your own printer. In here, you could select the diameter. So in our case, let's use 0.8. You could select the printer model right here, click OK. And then once again, you could fill up the filament preset template if you want to. But in my case, I'm just going to click on create. Click cancel. And simply from there, you're good to go. I'm now using the 0.8 nozzle on this specific printer setting. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.